The Terraces at Jubilation is an enclave of 6 mid-rise condominium buildings set to change the residential landscape of the booming city of Binan, Laguna. With its first-rate location that offers exclusivity, the Terraces at Jubilation will rise to provide a community where Filipino families can grow. With the functional layout that maximizes space and design, the 2-bedroom units of Terraces at Jubilation are suitable for young families who prefer modern living. A true haven at the end of the day, these units with gross area between 40 square meter and 44 square meter is an affordable investment that provides the much-needed serenity, relaxation, and security. For young professionals, our 1-bedroom units of 28 to 31 square meters are finely crafted to provide comfort and convenience. With the practical space complementing its unique design and layout, Terraces at Jubilation is a sanctuary anyone would love to come home to.